Hello everyone, this is regarding the color inheritance from the tool body. In case if you want, like when you will subtract this pillar by this tool, so this tool color should be reflected on the subtracted area. In that case, you need to set few settings. First, go into the preference modeling, and in display go for the Boolean operation, face modified by Boolean and inherited by tool body or target body. So here I am setting the tool body. So what will happen now, if I will subtract this target by this tool, so the color of the tool will reflect on the subtracted area. Okay, likewise I am again subtracting this here. Let me change the color of this block first. Okay, so I change the color as blue and performing the subtract command again. This is the target, this is the tool, and once you hit apply, it will be reflect as blue. Okay, so you need to take the command from preference menu, preference modeling, and face modified by Boolean. Either you can set to target or tool. I hope this may help. Thank you.